Hey everyone, welcome back in this video. Today we are going to do assignment number 14, country capital lookup with property transfer load testing with using SOAP UI. And the main objective of our this project is to test the SOAP operation capital city using the country info WSDL by implementing dynamic property transfer assertions and performance validation through load testing. This assignment also aim to integrate the project to the Jenkins. And these are our task view. First, we import the WSDL into SOAP. After that, we create test case and test suite. And after that, we perform three main assertion: XPath match, SOAP response assertion, and response SLA assertion. And after that, we custom property transfer. And after that, we perform load testing and explore the test project and configure the Jenkins pipelines. And key points, we use country code India and expected capital is New Delhi. First, we import this URL to our browser. After that, we copy this URL and open SOAP UI and create a new SOAP project and paste link here. After that, we name it country capital lookup and OK. After that, we create new test case and right click here and new test suite. Name it test suite 1. OK. In test suite 1, we create new test case and name it capital city. After that, we add the steps. First, we add SOAP request or name it as capital city request. And we are going to perform capital city, so we select capital city and OK. And here we first type IN for India and check the expected capital. We see here New Delhi. It means it is working. After that, we perform three main assertions. First, click on assertion. After that, we add first assertion, response SLA, and add it. And here we have passed 1000. After that, we add second SOAP response. Here we check HTTP 200 and it is also going to pass. After that, we add third assertion, XPath match. Here we first declare and going to write slash select star capital city result. After that, select from current and we got New Delhi. It means it is working. and save it. We done 3 assertions, and after that we custom property that test case level for country code and expected capital. For custom property, we write in the place of India, we write dollar curly bracket hashtag test case hashtag country country code, and in XPath assertion at the place of in New Delhi we are going to write dollar symbol curly bracket hashtag test case hashtag expected capital capital and close the curly bracket and save it. After that we go to CapitalCity test case and in property we are going to add country code country code IN for India, and we also add expected capital New Delhi and run the test case. After that we run the test case and we got finished and passed the test case, custom test case. After that we are going to perform property transfer feed response into the next step for logging and chaining. To perform property transfer, first we go to CapitalCity test case, right click, add steps, and go to property transfer and name it as transfer. Okay, and let here go to transfer capital or name it as get capital name capital name, then save it. After that we select CapitalCity request and in path property we add response, and in target we create CapitalCity test case, and in property we are going to add a new property in CapitalCity new property add and name it as retrieve retrieve capital and save it. After that we go to the property and select the retrieve capital, and here we are going to declare Okay, and slash star colon capital city result. Run it, and here we got New Delhi. And also we check in the capital city test case. In the type capital, we get New Delhi, and run it again. We finish it and pass the test case. After that, we are going to load testing over 50 requests over 30 seconds. Here we go to country test case and add new load test and name it as load test 1. Okay. After that, we are going to select thread 1 and limit request 50, or in time delay, we have choose 600 and run the load test. And wait for a minute. We are completed it 100% and we check the load testing going successfully. It's got 89-90%, and 100% load testing going to complete. After it, we close it, and after that, we are going to perform export the test project and configure it with Jenkins pipeline. To configure it, we first going to close all the tabs. After that, we here click on our project, right click and launch the test runner. Launch it. First, we have to save the file. To save the file, we save it name on our desktop, and after that, we are going to launch the project. Launch test runner, launch, and close it. After that, we copy the directory and command from here. Copy it, and we are going to save it on our notepad for future reference. And after that, we open our CMD in downloads, where we have installed Jenkins. First, we change the directory to the downloads, and here we have write Java jar Jenkins dot var and run it. Wait for a while to launch it. After that, we go on our browser, search localhost. Wait for a while to open it. Here first we have login with our user ID and password, and create new item and name it as country capital test, and freestyle test project. After that we okay, and go to the build steps and add build step, execute window batch command, and here we paste the command that we have copied. Here we have write cd from the directory. After apply and save it, and now we are going to build. Now it is going in under process, and wait for a while, and after that it is going to be successful. It calls success, and we are here, click here and check our file is going to success. And here we also check the status, where we have checked the, and after thank you everyone.